Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Bodhi Satya, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, and the topic for today is um, how do we uh, introduce the concept of sentence correction? So, when you are an English user and you are trying to learn English, let us say, at that point of time, what are the common errors that people make, and how do we implement the strategies to correct your sentence? So this is what the topic is going to be about for today. So we are going to see how can we improve or how can we learn the concept of sentence correction. Okay, so there are two ways by which we can actually uh, learn how to correct our sentences. The first one is called as guided error analysis. I'm going to write it down in the whiteboard. It is called as guided error analysis. I hope you are able to see my screen. The first strategy is guided error analysis. Okay, in this guided error analysis, what happens is that we are going to have we are going to provide our students with a set of sentences which will contain common errors in grammar, punctuation, or syntax. So the sentences will contain common errors of grammar, punctuation, or sentence syntaxes. So with the help of that, with the help of these errors that we deliberately put into the sentence, we will engage the students in a collaborative discussion. So they will collaborate with each other. So the group of students will be collaborating with each other, and then they will discuss amongst themselves. They will try to identify the errors and suggest corrections. So they have to identify the errors first as a team, and they will be suggesting correction. So this can be done in a team. It's a better option. They can do it individually also. So this approach al allows the students to actively participate in a learning process, analyze sentence structures, and understand the principles of correct usage. The second strategy that we can do, I'm going to share the screen again. I'm going to share my whiteboard again. Just a second. The second strategy that we can use is sentence correction exercises. So I'm going to write it down in the whiteboard. Yes, sentence correction exercises. Okay, what happens in sentence correction exercises is that we will, as a teacher, we are going to design a sentence correction exercise which will increase in its complexity gradually. So we will start with certain sentences where the errors are very obvious and the errors are easily detectable. So we will start with those sentences where the sentence structures are not very challenging, and with the help of these sentences, the students will be encouraged to identify the errors, correct them, and explain the rationale behind their corrections. So the complexity will keep on increasing. This hands-on approach allows the students to actively participate, or sorry, to practice sentence correction skills while deepening their understanding of grammar rules and sentence structures. Um, we can also provide constructive feedback and explanations for the corrections, which will further enhance their learning experience. So this is what I have got for today's session. These are the two strategies which I believe works miraculously well, not only for English speakers, but also for any person who wants to learn any language. For example, as a person, I'm trying to learn French, And these are the two ways only. With the help of that, I can improve my French language. So if you are learning English, or if you're teaching English for that matter, these are these two strategies that you can obviously use in your classroom to make your students learn sentence structures in a better way. Thank you.